Welcome to Pamuka Wealth Empire, your ultimate guide to building wealth through smart investments and side hustles. If you're looking to boost your income without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 side hustles you can start today with no money. These hustles require little to no upfront investment and have the potential to generate passive income over time. Let's get started. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking to diversify your income streams, these side hustles are perfect for you. We'll cover everything from online opportunities to creative gigs that can fit into your schedule. So grab a notebook, take some notes, and get ready to transform your financial future. Let's dive in. With the right mindset and dedication, you can turn these side hustles into significant income streams. Stay tuned. Number 5, print on demand. Are you creative? Do you love designing? Print on demand is a fantastic way to monetize your designs without spending a dime. Imagine turning your art into products people love. Platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, and Printful let you create and sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. These platforms are user-friendly and provide a wide range of products to choose from. The best part? They handle everything from production to shipping. You don't have to worry about inventory or logistics. You just focus on creating designs and promoting your products online. Use social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to showcase your work and attract customers. Setting up your online store is easy. Customize your product listings and keep track of your sales analytics to understand what works best. With no inventory costs, it's a low-risk way to start earning passive income. Over time, as your designs gain popularity, you can enjoy financial freedom and even turn this side hustle into a full-time business. Positive customer reviews and happy customers using your products can boost your confidence and motivate you to create even more amazing designs. Celebrate your sales milestones and keep pushing forward. Keep brainstorming new ideas and collaborating with other artists to expand your product range. The more unique and diverse your designs, the more likely you are to attract a wider audience. Attend online workshops and learn new design techniques to continuously improve your skills. Staying updated with the latest trends can give you an edge in the competitive market. Managing your time effectively is crucial. Balance your side hustle with other commitments to ensure steady progress without feeling overwhelmed. Number 4, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the simplest ways to start earning money online. It involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. This method is particularly appealing because it requires minimal upfront investment and can be done from the comfort of your own home. All you need to do is sign up for affiliate programs, promote products through your unique affiliate links, and earn a commission on every sale made through your link. The process is straightforward. You join an affiliate program, get your unique link, and share it with your audience. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The more people you reach, the higher your potential earnings. You can promote products on a blog, YouTube channel, or even social media. Each platform has its own advantages. For instance, a blog allows you to write detailed reviews and guides, while a YouTube channel lets you create engaging video content. Social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook are great for reaching a large audience quickly. The key is to choose a platform that aligns with your strengths and interests. Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and ClickBank are great places to start. These platforms offer a wide range of products to promote, making it easy to find something that resonates with your audience. Amazon Associates is particularly popular because of the vast selection of products available on Amazon. Share a Sale and ClickBank also offer a variety of products, including digital goods, which often come with higher commission rates. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it can become a steady stream of passive income once your content gains traction. This means that even when you're not actively working, you can still earn money from the content you've already created. Over time, as you build more content and attract a larger audience, your earnings can grow significantly. It's a scalable business model that rewards consistency and effort. So, if you're looking for a flexible and potentially lucrative way to make money online, affiliate marketing is definitely worth considering. To maximize your success in affiliate marketing, it's important to stay informed about the latest trends and strategies. This could involve researching new products to promote, attending webinars, or reading books on affiliate marketing. By continuously learning and adapting, you can stay ahead of the competition and increase your earnings. Networking with other affiliate marketers can also be incredibly beneficial. By joining affiliate marketing communities, attending conferences, and collaborating with influencers, you can gain valuable insights and tips that can help you improve your strategies and grow your business. The affiliate marketing community is generally very supportive, and you can learn a lot from others' experiences. Finally, always keep an eye on your performance metrics. Analyzing data such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and earnings can help you understand what's working and what needs improvement. By optimizing your strategies based on this data, you can continually improve your results and achieve greater success in affiliate marketing. Celebrate your milestones and keep pushing forward. Number 3, dropshipping. If you want to run an e-commerce business without worrying about inventory, dropshipping is for you. This business model allows you to sell products online without ever handling the physical items yourself. Imagine running a store where you don't have to worry about storage, packaging, or shipping. Sounds convenient, right? You set up an online store and partner with suppliers who ship products directly to your customers. When a customer places an order, the supplier handles fulfillment. You act as the middleman, connecting the customer with the supplier. This saves you time and effort, allowing you to focus on marketing and growing your business. You don't need to buy any stock up front, so your initial costs are minimal. Traditional retail businesses require significant investment in inventory, which can be risky if the products don't sell. With dropshipping, you only purchase the product after you've made a sale, reducing financial risk. Platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce make it easy to get started. These e-commerce platforms offer user-friendly interfaces and tools to help you set up your online store quickly. You can choose from thousands of products to sell, customize your store's design, and start accepting orders in no time. Once your store is up and running, it can generate passive income with each sale. Dropshipping offers the flexibility to work from anywhere, giving you the freedom to travel or spend more time with family. It's a scalable business model, perfect for entering the world of e-commerce. One of the keys to success in dropshipping is finding the right products to sell. Research trending products and niches that have high demand but low competition. Use tools like Google Trends, social media, and online marketplaces to identify potential bestsellers. Analyzing your competitors can also provide valuable insights. Look at what products they are selling, their pricing strategies, and customer reviews. This information can help you refine your product selection and marketing approach. Marketing is crucial for driving traffic to your online store. Utilize social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest to create targeted ads and engaging content. Building a strong online presence can attract more customers and increase sales. Content marketing is another effective strategy. Start a blog, create YouTube videos, or send out email newsletters to provide value to your audience and promote your products. Consistent and high-quality content can build trust and establish your brand as an authority in your niche. Customer service is also essential. Respond promptly to inquiries, address any issues, and ensure a smooth buying experience. Happy customers are more likely to return and recommend your store to others. As your dropshipping business grows, continuously evaluate and adjust your strategies. Stay updated with market trends, optimize your operations, and explore new opportunities to expand your product range and reach. With dedication and smart planning, dropshipping can become a profitable and sustainable side hustle. Number 2, content creation on YouTube. Yes, you can start a YouTube channel without any investment. All you need is a smartphone to begin. Choose a niche you're passionate about, whether it's tech reviews, cooking, or personal finance, and start creating content. The key to success on YouTube is consistency and delivering value to your audience. As your channel grows, you can monetize it through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Consistency is crucial. Set a schedule and stick to it. Whether it's weekly or bi-weekly, make sure you're regularly uploading content. Plan your content ahead of time. Brainstorm ideas, script your videos, and make sure you're prepared before hitting record. Editing is also a key part of the process. Use free software like iMovie or DaVinci Resolve to polish your videos. Don't forget about thumbnails and titles. They're the first thing viewers see, so make them eye-catching and relevant. Once monetized, your videos can continue to earn revenue long after they've been published. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and build a community around your channel. With dedication and hard work, you can turn your YouTube channel into a profitable side hustle. Stay updated with the latest trends and adapt your content to what's popular. This can help you attract more viewers. Collaborate with other YouTubers to expand your reach and grow your audience even faster. Consider doing live streams to engage with your audience in real time and build a stronger connection. Number 1, creating and selling digital products. In today's digital age, creating and selling digital products has become a lucrative side hustle. Digital products like ebooks, online courses, and printables are popular due to their high profit margins and scalability. Unlike physical products, digital products don't require inventory or shipping, allowing you to sell them globally, anytime. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad provide a ready-made audience and marketing tools for your digital products. These platforms make it easy to reach potential customers without needing extensive marketing knowledge. Alternatively, setting up your own website gives you more control over your brand and customer relationships. You can customize your site to reflect your unique style and build a loyal customer base. Create once, sell indefinitely. Whether it's a guide, template, or course, your initial effort can pay off for years. The beauty of digital products is that they can be sold repeatedly without additional work. This side hustle generates passive income with zero inventory costs. Imagine waking up to sales made overnight. Passive income allows you to earn money while focusing on other projects or enjoying your free time. Start by identifying valuable skills or knowledge you have. Your expertise or hobbies can be great starting points. Think about what you know well and how you can package that knowledge into a digital product. Outline your product and start creating. Use tools like Microsoft Word for ebooks, Teachable for courses, and Canva for printables. These tools make it easy to create professional-looking products without a steep learning curve. Set up your online store with compelling descriptions and high-quality images. Highlight your product's unique benefits. Make sure your product stands out by clearly communicating its value to potential buyers. Marketing is crucial. Use social media, email marketing, and online ads to reach your audience. Engage and gather feedback. Building a community around your product can lead to repeat customers and word-of-mouth referrals. Track sales and analytics to refine your strategy. With dedication and creativity, digital products can be rewarding and profitable. Regularly review your sales data to understand what works and what doesn't, and adjust your approach accordingly. Continuously educate yourself on the latest trends and best practices in digital product creation and marketing. Attend webinars, read books, and network with other creators to stay ahead of the curve. As you gain experience, consider expanding your product line or collaborating with other creators. Launching new products can keep your audience engaged and provide additional revenue streams. Ultimately, creating and selling digital products can provide financial freedom and flexibility. It allows you to work on your own terms and enjoy the benefits of passive income. And there you have it, 5 side hustles you can start today with no money. Each of these options offers the potential for passive income, making them ideal for anyone looking to build wealth without a large upfront investment. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, save for a big purchase, or even replace your full-time job, these side hustles can help you achieve your financial goals. The best part? You can get started right away without needing to spend a dime. Remember, the key to success with any side hustle is consistency and dedication. The more effort you put in, the more rewards you'll reap. So, pick one that resonates with you and dive in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our wealth-building tips and strategies. Your support helps us create more content to help you achieve financial freedom. We love hearing from our community, so drop a comment below and let us know which side hustle you're excited to start. And if you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to ask. We're here to help. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep hustling smart. Remember, your journey to financial independence starts with a single step. Take that step today and watch your efforts pay off in the long run. And don't forget, every small step you take today can lead to big changes tomorrow. Stay motivated, stay focused, and keep pushing forward. Your financial freedom is within reach, and we're here to support you every step of the way.